For the first time in years, DJI may not be the only serious player in the pocket gimbal category. Insta360 Luna just leaked, and if the details are accurate, this isn't just another action camera experiment, it's a direct move into DJI's territory, and the timing is important. DJI's Pocket 4 has been leaking for months. Real images surfaced, retail packaging appeared, but the official launch still hasn't happened. That gap creates opportunity, and Luna might be trying to fill it. Insta360 Luna is rumored to be the company's first true handheld pocket gimbal camera. Not modular, not detachable, a dedicated stabilized camera body aimed directly at DJI's Pocket lineup. That alone is significant. Now here's where it becomes serious. Recent leaks suggest Luna features a dual camera setup. One wide-angle module and one telephoto module. Unlike DJI's rumored vertical stacking approach for the Pocket 4 Pro, Luna appears to position its lenses horizontally across the gimbal head. Different layout, same objective, true optical zoom inside a compact stabilized system. Reports indicate up to 3 times optical zoom from the telephoto lens. If that's accurate, Luna immediately competes at the same level the Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to target. But the lenses aren't the only story. The leak also describes a dual processor architecture. A primary processor runs continuously, handling recording and core operations. A secondary processor activates when needed and acts as a pre-processing chip. Instead of raw sensor data flowing directly to the main processor, the signal first passes through this auxiliary chip. So that chip reportedly performs early noise reduction, brightness adjustment, and shadow detail recovery before forwarding the clean data for final encoding. There's also mention of a dedicated light sensor evaluating scene conditions in real time. In bright environments, frames may bypass heavy processing. In low light situations, the enhanced pipeline activates automatically. That's computational imaging logic built into a stabilized camera. And this is where Insta360 becomes interesting. If you've used their action cameras, you already know how aggressively optimized their processing has become. Their stabilization and low light tuning have improved significantly over recent generations. If that same philosophy carries into a dual lens pocket gimbal system, Luna could be more than just competition. It could shift the category. Now, zoom out. DJI has defined the pocket gimbal space for years. The Pocket series set the standard for compact stabilization, but DJI has recently focused on refinement rather than dramatic change like Insta360 tends to iterate quickly. If Luna launches before the Pocket 4 Pro becomes widely available, that could influence perception. Not because DJI is behind, but because momentum matters. If Luna arrives first with optical zoom, adaptive processing, and competitive stabilization, it reframes the conversation. Suddenly, DJI isn't the only innovator in the segment. Earlier Luna leaks suggested modular design with swappable components, but those signals have faded. The more recent blueprints consistently show a fixed dual camera system instead. That consistency suggests Insta360 may have narrowed its focus, and focus in a competitive market is powerful. Nothing here is officially confirmed. Specifications can change, processing claims can evolve, marketing language can exaggerate, but the direction is clear. Pocket gimbal cameras are moving toward dual lens systems combined with smarter processing. Optical flexibility is becoming the next battleground. And if both DJI and Insta360 are moving in this direction at the same time, that's not coincidence, it's competitive pressure. Is Luna the Pocket 4 killer? That depends entirely on execution, but one thing is certain, for the first time in a long time, DJI's Pocket lineup may face real competition in its own category, and that makes this year very interesting for compact creators. Things are about to get interesting this year, so get subscribed for the latest tech updates. This is it for today, and I will see you in the next one.